Hi, we're going to be demonstrating a new application that we hope will help make the product selection process easier for you. To begin, hopefully your screen looks similar to that which you're now viewing. If by chance you happen to only see the right half portion of the screen, that's most likely due to the width of your browser, and if you're able to increase the width of your browser, normally you'll see both the left and the right half portions appear. If you're new to a product that you may be selecting, then it's critically important that you first review the left half portion of the screen. In this you'll find information that's very important for selecting the product. In this case we have load centers being our example and a number of critical questions you should be familiar with before you begin the selection process, as well as definitions and general naming conventions, helpful information. In this particular example, we see other links to other Schneider resources such as frequently asked questions, cross-reference tool, and our documents and download center. If you don't already have those bookmarked, we suggest that you check those out and consider bookmarking them for faster access in the future. Now, moving to the right half portion of our screen where selections actually take place, we can start making selections with our product. Generally, you'll select simply starting at the top and working your way down through the list. However, there's no set order. You're certainly free to randomly pick in any sequence that you want. When you do make selections, if you find that you made something in error, you can always go back and edit, test, experiment, play with other selections as you go. As you do make selections, the other remaining selections will be filtered and reduced so that you end up with only a limited set, and it gets faster as you run through the process. Once all the selections have been satisfied, you'll notice at the bottom half portion of the screen that we now have parts that have been selected based on the choices above, and we see that these are the resultant parts that we need for the base load center. Make sure that you continue scrolling down the screen, because depending on the product there may be additional sections. In this case, for the load center example, we have the option to be able to go in and continue selecting branch breakers and adding those to our list, as well as accessories, which you're free to plus and minus to increase your values as needed, and this is the same on any type of product of this nature. Now that we have the products that we had of interest have been selected, it's a bit tight to see some of the views. By clicking on the thumbnail, we can get an expanded view and a much more detailed view of what it is that has been selected. In addition, you may notice that different parts will have various links to other information. The datasheet page is always a wealth of information with links and other product information. Some items may have, for example, drawing links, such as this one. Simply click, a new tab will be opened, and you have immediate information at your fingertips. Once the parts are known and you have your selections determined, you're now in position to be able to connect with your local distributor, our Schneider sales representative, and continue through with the process of fulfilling the order.